This video covers ERV systems in LATS HVAC. When you choose to add a new system, select ERV. For North America, select 60 Hz as your frequency. Verify that your winter temperature condition is set to a minimum of 14 degrees. Highlight your preferred system model in the list of options. These options change depending on your system settings. Adjust ESP and supply airflow values as necessary. And accessories as necessary. Finally, under the ERV tab, you can find a variety of options to see an analysis of the system. This concludes the LATS HVAC ERV Systems video.